Hello everybody, this is Mark Gurman, and I want to show you something interesting I found on my globe. Watch this. If I open the door to 90 degrees and let it close, it does a soft close. But watch this. I open it to 90, and if I grab the door and let go, it does a slam close. We'll show it off again. Time it was a little bit quieter, but it will slam the door. Now I'm not sure if it's because of the hydraulic fluid in it, or because it doesn't have enough fluid, or because of the damping. I don't know. If you guys know what could cause this little glitch, feel free to comment on this video. I just don't know what's wrong with it, but so if you know what's wrong with it, you can comment on this video. See? That time it's soft close. But we'll show you it again with the soft close. See? Watch it down from the latch. See? It stops and then quietly latches the door. We'll show off the slam close again. There's a slam. One more time with the slam close. And one more soft close, and that will be it. So anyways, that will be it. Comment on this video if you know what causes this weird little glitch. So anyways, that's